across the Belgium media, and they said that we didn't have a lot of medicines against it. So we call this out.
That's it.
It's 2 horses.
That's all you need.
Ooh, the horse needs his poop bag cleaned out. It smells. I can smell it from here.
Yeah.
Come on!
We're here in Belgium, in Brussels.
Adventure.
We're in Brussels, and as you can see, we are walking in the dark, and there's a reason for that. The reason is we don't know how to get to our hotel. So Frank booked us a room near the airport just for the night, and then we have to come back and take the train to Bruges tomorrow morning. The problem is there's like no way to walk.
Here we go. We have to cross here.
There's no way to walk
More like
to out of the airport. But we found this little walkway, which I think will lead us to our hostel.
After getting scolded by one of the security guys from walking where we're not supposed to.
We didn't get scolded.
No,
He
he
was just
told me
like,
He's like, you're going the wrong way.
yeah, he was just notifying us of our error. So now, are we going the right direction?
Yes.
Okay.
The sad part is, like those lights are, our hotel is there, but it's gonna make us go like around.
Okay.
But at least we'll get there.
We could have called a taxi.
Well, I didn't know it was gonna be this hard. It's like half a mile away. If you could walk the way we can't walk.
Okay. So here we are on an adventure. So we bought the breakfast here at the Ibis Hotel. It was 750 euros per person. It was 15 euros for the both of us. So we come down here, you get some breads and croissants. You get croissants and pastry stuff and some processed meat. And you get like a spread of like all these different spreads. So this is a pate. This is still questionable. I have no idea what this is. You have chocolate and then some jams. This is one of the 3 different jams they have over here, and honey. It's all kinds of spreads. They love spreads here. And Frank accidentally got apple sauce because everything here is in French. So this is quite the adventure. We're here at
Back at the airport.
We have a bus that's taking us to Bruges at 5:50. We had a taxi that took us here to the bus station, which is by the airport. And we're half an hour early, and there's no one here. And it's like...
Wet, it's raining and windy and cold.
And we're here at the tent and no one's here.
One guy.
Oh, yeah, one. And we're hoping we're at the right place. We bought our tickets last night online because the lady said it was cheaper, so yeah. That's what's happening right now. In 2.5 to 3 hours, should be in Bruges, hopefully. And hopefully
warmer and drier than we are now.
Hopefully, yeah.
Wow, the bus shouldn't be wetter and
Oh,
colder.
well, no, yeah. I thought you meant in Bruges. I'm hoping that we will be able to do a walking tour today, so we'll see when we get there. There's our bus! Yeah!
Yay.
We are currently on the bus to Bruges. We're the only ones here. Alright, we are in Bruges. Our bus dropped us off at this, it's like the outskirts of Bruges right now by a station. It's Almost 8 a.m. But look how dark it is still. Alright, we're gonna try to find a bus to take us to our hostel. This is the calm before the storm. Look at Frank's marching through Bruges. Crazy American. Dancing in Bruges.
We made it safely here, and now we are on the way to a walking tour. So we're gonna learn more about the city of Bruges. Bruges, even walking on the streets is really pretty because it's like a medieval town. Everything's really old and brick and
Very brick.
cool looking. It is. Look at all these bricks.
Yeah, it's really pretty here. It's a little wet today, but we're gonna try to hit up the earliest walking tour to avoid the rain, which is supposed to happen later this afternoon, I think, or mid-afternoon. So hopefully we won't get rained on during this tour.
Look, that's rare. Look, it's a big, old, cool church.
What is it? What is it?
We're still on the walking tour.
The rain stopped.
It's on and off.
Yeah, it just comes and goes. It's still cool though, especially when the wind comes, blows right through.
So school's like this big clock tower in the middle of the city, and on the weekends between 10 and 12, so 10 in the morning to noon, they actually have like a guy playing the bells. It's like his job. It's like a live performance of tower bells. Pretty cool. The rest of the time it's computerized, but so if you hear some bells in the background during this tour, it's the guy up there. It's his job.
Families here in our city, and as the Lords of Groot and the Adornus. If you want to see or hear something about the Adornus, the best tip I can give to you, because it takes you to the other side, is take the evening. You see the beautiful black oak with little statues over there? And over there you have the saying of the family in French and in Flemish. Over there is marked plus est en vous, and there in Flemish, wie is in u. From the 15th century, beautiful restored in the 1930s. From the family that lives already from the 8th generation that owns it already. Always the same family, Maas, that owns it.
The Bridge of Love is behind us.
Full of people.
Bridge of Love full of people. They made it with discarded old gravestones, so romantic. Jetzt kommt mein dieser Group. Let's get to the walking tour. So we got some snacks and some beer.
I got a Waterloo Strong Dark.
We got another one of their stronger beers. The one of their house beers on tap. We got like a little sausage here and a bag of crisps.
And hopefully we can actually get like real food because I'm hungry. Can't drink and snack. Yeah. So it's fun. It's very cool right now.
So we are in the oldest brewery in Bruges. It's the Half Moon Brewery. I don't know the exact translation. But this beer here, it is the original beer. So it's the original beer in the oldest brewery in Bruges. It's like 100 and something years old. So they actually have pipes that will pipe this to their bottling facility and also pipe it to different bars in town. So they actually like dug pipes around pipes full of beer through the city. And this is like the main one that they have.
We're at George the Five. George D. We came in for some Flemish beef stew with fries for €7. And I got me a glass of hot wine. It wasn't on the menu.
So what's this this packet here or there?
This is a creamer.
Creamer for your hot wine?
Yeah.
Is that you gonna is that?
It's a creamer. I want to open it. So you may want to put it in.
Oh.
I'm pretty sure it's sugar.
Sugar.
To go with my I guess I can sweeten it to my liking. A lot of the pre-made hot wine is really sweet,
so I got another one of these beers. The brewery's down the street. And so this is the brewery that has the pipes that run to the city. So we learned that in order to have it on tap here in the city, you needed to contribute to have the pipe ran. So they have the pipe actually stop by your bar and pump it directly in from the brewery. So if there's a tap, then they have a pipe directly to the brewery. Otherwise, then it's only bottles. So they don't like do kegs and taps at this brewery.
You see the steam coming off of my cup? Cheers.
Food came. It's our Flemish beef stew and sausage. Pretty simple, right? Stew and fries. Let's see what we have. And some mystery like cream of some sort.
I think it's mayonnaise.
I think it's mayonnaise. I have issues with this fry. I just want like to fold it. Wait, there we go. So Flemish beef stew tastes just like beef stew. Sarah's right, this is definitely mayonnaise. So mayonnaise, and I have this like this mystery sausage. Looks like it would be like on the rollers at 7-Eleven. It's gonna taste like halfway between like an Italian sausage and a breakfast sausage. It's kind of like a little bit sweet, but a little bit of like spicy and seasoned. It's interesting. Come on. The horses were pretty cool at first, but you get to like move out, and we have horses every like 3 minutes around here.
They're everywhere.
There's like too many horses. We're going back to the hostel. Do hostel kind of stuff.